This is An-Naname Issue 1, an A5 perfect bound collage zine and a confident first issue which dropped into our studio. It's been described by us when the first files arrived as the equivalent of watching Mad Men, a love letter to America in the 60s, 70s and 80s, built entirely from Photoshop collages. The cover sets the tone immediately, a full bleed black and white portrait, bold red type, matte laminated, 300 GSM uncoated. It feels cinematic before you've opened it. Inside, 52 pages on 100 GSM uncoated, a heavier stock than most zines, and you feel it. The collages layer archival photography, vintage maps, typewriter text and graphic elements in ways that look like they've always belonged together. A baseball player against an atomic cloud, a vintage car over a Texas road map with blood splatter marks running across it. And then a sea lion balancing a pool ball above a Bruegel painting. That tonal range from archival American grit to deadpan surrealism is what makes flipping through An-Naname so enjoyable. Each spread is a small surprise. Creator Andrew came to us as a first-time printer, asked all the right technical questions early on and produced something that genuinely exceeded his own expectations. If you're planning your own zine, head to Ex Why Zed. We'd love to help you transform your ideas into print.